Hey everyone, Angelo with Mr. Dent Repair here, and I wanted to show you guys what a hail damage door looks like before and after the repair. I get in conversations with customers and my history working with hail damage vehicles sometimes comes up. Typically people in Florida have never seen a hailstorm or know what a hail damage car looks like, so I found this video of a hail damage door I fixed last year in North Carolina to show you guys a good representation of the kind of damage you will fix during a hail season. So if you live in the Central Florida area and have a dent on your vehicle that you want fixed, make sure to give us a call or send us a text with a photo of the dent so we can give you a free, no obligation estimate and get you one step closer to getting that damage repaired. My name is Angelo Rivera and thank you for watching.